During the last 3 months, we've actually been looking at the interaction with our customers using Membrain and Oneflow. And we've actually seen a huge increase in the amount of communication we've had with our customers using the system of Membrain and the Oneflow contract signing system, which has been a great result of the partnership we've had, and also the sales team actually using the tools on offer now, which we've managed to bring into them. So we've followed that up and seen quite clearly that we've been able to close more sales projects than before, and also had a much better answer rate from our customers when we were in contact with them. My name is Stuart Lascelles and I'm Head of Sales and Marketing at Casall PRO. Casall PRO is a manufacturer and designer of commercial training equipment. We're a total solution partner for health and fitness facilities in the Nordics when it comes to training equipment, and also the exclusive distributor of Matrix fitness equipment. Yeah, the story of Casall started in the 1980s. We had a gym here in Norrköping to start with, and from that we built the company, starting first with sports training equipment, and then moving into fashion as well with our Casall clothing company. So it's a holistic training company, started in the 80s and still under the same ownership now in the moving forward. We have a motto which is forever better, which we think is very key as a business when moving forward, that we can always be better and work every day to work with those two main aspects with quality. Our main challenges as a business are working with our long-term partnerships with our customers. We think it's very important to have a relationship over a long period of time, and one of those challenges with us is making sure that we are constantly keeping in contact and following up the different opportunities and different sales projects that we have as a business with our customers, and making sure we find the right solutions for them. And one of those key aspects was looking at a different CRM system, and also getting involved with how do we improve our customer journey. So we looked at different solutions to do that. We scanned the market. We really wanted to give our sales teams the best tools and opportunity to do that as part of their day-to-day work. And after looking at it, we decided that Membrain and Oneflow was the perfect fit for us as a business. After looking at different solutions and different types of CRM systems that was available, we really felt that Membrain was the perfect fit. It matched our customer journey, it matched our needs as a business, it matched also our customer experience that we wanted to provide. So we were really happy to partner up and introduce it to our business with our sales team and with our customer journey. We really needed to find a e-signage solution that was going to be sustainable over a long period of time. We've tried and tested different solutions, but never really found something that would work for us over all the different territories and different countries that we work with our business and partners. So Oneflow was actually a solution that matched and ticked all the boxes. The easy interface, the signage solution was perfect needs for our sales team, and allowed us to easily follow our sales projects and get to the closing period in a secure and professional manner. And that integration has really been fantastic for us. It's allowed us to bring together the whole customer experience, all the way from the beginning, the first conversation, all the way to the end when we come to a closing period. We can integrate easily all the different projects into one simple solution, and that helps our sales team and our customers in the whole process.